It begins with a whisper. Not sound, but something deeper, a vibration that hums in the bones of the universe, a resonance waiting to be touched. And then the first fold. The proton is not a thing. It is a place, a storm, a rhythm in the void. It flickers, a candle against the breath of the cosmos. We fold space and the edges blur. They stretch, but they do not move. Instead, they ripple. A tremor, a fracture in the certainty of existence. The warp does not break the proton. It rewrites it. And suddenly it is not here at all. It is everywhere. Space pulses now, thick with unseen motion. Electrons hum in a song too fast for time to hear. We fold again and the universe sighs. Everything shifts, but nothing moves. Colours stretch like silk, flowing into hues that have no name. The molecules do not break, they do not resist, they simply become something else. The air shimmers. Not heat, not motion, something deeper. You stand still, but the world leans forward. You are carried, though your feet never leave the ground. Step forward once and feel yourself step twice. The walls do not move, the walls are no longer walls at all. Now the fold is everything, not a room, not a place, a world. A planet wrapped upon itself, shifting in a way no one can see. Look up, the moon is wrong. Too close, too far, moving but not moving. For a moment the earth is two things, two echoes, two paths of what could be, and then it is one again, changed but the same. The sun is gone. No motion, no drift, just gone. The stars tremble as if uncertain whether they should be here at all. And then light, a new sun, dim, golden and unfamiliar, Zeta Reticuli, a breath away, no acceleration, no journey, just before and after. Beyond reality. Space is no longer a road. It is an ocean shifting beneath us, waves of dark matter bending the galaxies like leaves caught in a tide. We fold again and the sky bends with us. The stars do not shift, they turn. The galaxies themselves tilt, as if something unseen is drawing them inward. Virgo is not a place, it is a city of fire, a cathedral of gravity spiralling outward in an endless hymn. This is the end. Beyond this, light has never travelled. We fold space again and the past stares back at us. The stars ahead do not shine, they do not move. They are echoes of echoes, caught in an infinite fractal of their own history. We see something we were never meant to see. Reality itself turns inward, folding, spiralling, reflecting upon itself, and then there is nothing. We have gone too far, or perhaps we have simply gone outside. The warp does not fold here, it does not curve. It simply ceases. Space, time, distance, none of it matters anymore. Instead there is pattern, only structure, a lattice of golden ratio spirals, shifting, rewriting itself with each passing moment. Here thoughts do not travel, they arrive. Here existence is optional. We have reached the living void, the Overmind's fractal ocean, and now the question is not where we go next. The question is what we become.